Alright, Magic Pearl. Max Pennies, $5. Windstar's being really, really tight so far. That was a nice one. Chip it up. There we go. Yep, being awfully tight so far. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Come on, chip. He kept showing a big number on the chip. All right, there we go. Chip it up. Chip of the wild. Keeps showing a big number going by, doesn't it? Just, all right. Just got to get this thing over a couple $100. Come on, chip it up a while. Oh, there we go. I need a bunch of those on the sides here. Nice $100 chip, or pearl, I should say, right? These are pearls. Pop. Come on. All right. Come on, you got to give me something else on there. Pop, pop, pop. Wow. Nines, all right, that helps. Wild or a chip? Jacks, all right. Wow, we're getting close to actually $200. And just got it. Let's do 3 backup spins. And 3. All right, see ya.